Today, we're taking a look at the A05 ratcheting screwdriver, a modular multi-tool designed for both precision and heavy-duty tasks. Right out of the box, everything is neatly organized in a compact storage case, including a wide range of bits and sockets. What makes the A05 stand out is its modular handle design. With a simple connection, it can quickly transform into 6 different professional tool configurations. And this magnetic holding pad keeps tiny screws from disappearing during repairs. There's also a built-in magnetizer and demagnetizer for quickly adjusting bit magnetism. The 3-way ratchet system lets you switch between forward, reverse, and lock modes instantly. But it's also strong enough for heavier tasks, like assembling furniture or installing hardware. That makes it perfect for electronics repair, drones, cameras, and other precision devices. The high concentricity design ensures smooth and stable rotation. Overall, the A05 combines modular versatility, strong torque, and precision engineering into one compact toolkit.